All of my videos that I make are usually made on Windows because I understand Windows. I understand all the different utilities I have to work with Windows. But for those that are truly Linux bound for dealing with their MikroTik router, then I created this short video to supplement those people to see how it's actually done on a Linux machine. So we're going to go up here and we're going to start up the browser. And I'm going to access HTTPS 192.168.88.1, which is our router. You notice we get a warning that it's not private yet. We click on Advanced and then proceed unsafe. So we're accepting this certificate because we know that we created it, which was done in previous videos. Now I can go ahead and log in securely. And now we're logged into WebFig on a true Linux machine running Chromium. So the next step is to not use this terminal, as we've discussed in other areas. So we have to start up a terminal on the Linux machine. I'll make it a little bit larger to see. And we're going to SSH into admin at 192.168.88.1. And it warns us it doesn't trust this fingerprint. Do you want to trust it? And we're going to say yes, we do want to trust this fingerprint. Now I need the password of the router. And now we're logged into the router terminal. I can prove this by bringing up this little document here. I'm going to cut and paste this cert command, which means change to the certificate directory. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it in down here. Hit enter. You notice we're now in the certificate folder of the MikroTik router. So this is how you would normally use this if you're running a real Linux system. You would have the secure browser, which means you have to have a desktop version of Linux. So I showed you how to connect to the secure router once it is secure. Of course, you need to use this information in a non-secure environment to set up this configuration. I just wanted to show you how the configuration works if you're on an actual Linux machine and using this terminal instead of the terminal up here. Hope that it's helpful to people which don't want to use WinBox or people on a Linux machine.